it, I'm sure. Because when I broke it, I see the name is B. Yeah. Okay. So here, this one is the bracelet. Here. This one. So you can put the dangle, or if you don't like it, just like here, then we can make something here more. Yeah, the chain, that's if you like, we can claim the chain, but we can make a lot of more bracelets. And you will find here the pink, if match with turquoise, is perfect. Hi, Sabine, happy to see you. It's here, this one. This, we made it last time. Then we just need to add the jump ring and the clasp here. This one here. This hang on and hang on. And the close. And the cut a extender. Here. Yeah, the two colors match together is so perfect. If you want to color it by yourself, yes, you can. It is like the resin glue, like similar like the nail oil. How to see it? I not good at pronounce that word. Yeah, you can try to do it by yourself, but I think it's not so much easy. Not easy. Why not easy? I show you the reason here. Because here the jumping here, so I'm not sure if we can do it make the piece flat. So you can try one clover, maybe 1, 2, 3. You can just jump. Let me see here. This. She can go out and come again, maybe. Here I checked that I didn't block her. I didn't block her. Yeah. Here. I didn't block her. I checked here, no, not block her. Okay, here. Maybe go out and come again, or I will check it after my live again. Here in my I see here there's no problem for about the block. Yeah, here. So this one, this is the bracelet that we made here with the beads, with the chain here, then colorful bohemian style. Okay, then here we go to show the chain. This is the chain. It with the